downtown Cocoa Beach. Hey, Mom. Hey, Annie. Hey, Mr. T. Hey, Little Red. Little Red's made to come out and play.
Chicken Man!
Chicken Man!
Yeah!
Surfin Santas! December 24th, right here.
Amen!
I'll get to pick one out today.
That's so bad. Say thank you.
Just look, I'm getting low, but I got lots of them. You got to pick one out for your sister here, too. A little one.
Thank you so much.
Wow, they're really big, huh? There's a koala and a little anteater. Get the little, get the green, you want the green bear for your sister?
Hey, Little Red, the Cocoa Beach Chicken is going to a parade. Two driverless Teslas in the parade this year. Cool. It's a big one.
Thank you. God bless you guys.
Just on principle. Nice. It's another boat. Hey, Debbie.
How you guys doing?
Good. Are you going to drop this in the water and do the boat parade too?
Yeah. How about you?
Nah.
Now, do you give up your golf cart for a truck?
Well, we got so many Beanie Babies and we got 5 people, we couldn't fit it all.
Cool.
Plus, the truck's got 110 volts so we can have the 12 foot chicken. So, yeah, it's going to be fun. Boat parade tonight. Fish taco. Everybody got their boats. I got surf music. Christmas. Here you go. Hey, there's someone across the street now. Here you go. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Sorry, take one. Here, there you go. Here you go. How old are you?
13.
That's close enough.
Yeah.
Beanie Babies. Beanie Baby, Beanie Baby. Beanie Baby. Everybody get one.
Yeah.
Here you go.
Oh, wow. Thanks.
And one for you. There we go. Merry Christmas. Oh, there's a baby. There you go. Merry Christmas. Here you go. Merry Christmas. So the home of the famous Cocoa Beach chickens is pretty much rotted away. We got this new one from Amazon. It was around $300. It was great. This section folded up flat in the box, and so did the bottom. You just unfold it, screw it together, and away you go. And you got the roof. You have a lot of parts that come reassembled. There's the wall, the nesting box. So each side has 2 little nesting boxes, which is good for us because we only have 3 chickens. solar panel here. Runs 2 fans. So the roof segments fit in these little dowels, and then you screw them down. This thing will withstand a hurricane. Hurricane clips. This thing is dirty as my house. The new chicken house is pretty much done. It's got a few more braces to put on, but Little Red is already cleaned her box. This is made for 6 chickens, but we only have 3 in there. Famous Cocoa Beach chickens. We will be at SURFIN Santa, December 24th. Look for us at the Grind for Life Cancer Tent. See you there. So there they are. They're all snug in their beds. The chicken house is set up to show their appreciation. The chickens all started laying eggs again. The molting season is over. Blue egg is from our newest Cocoa Beach chicken, Roadrunner the second. And Little Red approves the new chicken house. Time to replace the old one.